Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create folders in Evernote. So the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Evernote web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Evernote? It's pretty simple. Just launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type evernote.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Evernote. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to log in using an existing account. And once you log in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Evernote. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to create folders in Evernote. There's one thing I'd like you to know. There is no one thing such as folders in Evernote just as it is in OneNote, okay? So there's no category for folders, right? But then in Evernote, folders are synonymous to what we call notebooks. Yeah, notebooks. So you can actually create notebooks, and under your notebooks, you can have notes. So those notes can be saved in a notebook as your folder. So now let's rephrase the topic of this tutorial: how to create a notebook in Evernote. Let's hop in. So from this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen where you're going to find notebooks. So go ahead and click on notebooks. Now I have one notebook already created, that's first notebook, and I have 5 notes in first notebook. I'm just going to open that up for you to see what it looks like. Yeah, so I have these notes in this. So this is just this is the only notebook I have. So this is more like a folder, and I have all my notes, 5 notes organized in this. So I can go over to my notebooks again to create a new notebook, which is like a new folder. So head over here to the right corner and click on new notebook so that you can create, or we can create, a new notebook because we're doing it together, right? So notebooks are useful for grouping notes around a common topic, and they can be private or shared. So let's say this is going to be my journal. So my journal, and click on the create button, and you see that that has been created. So I can now open this up, my journal, and it's going to take me to notes. So I can now start creating notes within this notebook. And how do you do that? So I can create my first note here. So I can just click on that plus new notes button and start creating my notes. So that's it. So I can start creating my notes right here. Enter the title of your notes and create your notes. And once you do that, you can even create more notes within this journal. All right, so let's see, let's create another one. Okay, journaling Afi. I'm just gonna write, this is my journey. That's all. I have so much to say, so I can just leave that in there. All right, if I want to add a new note, all right, so if I want to add a new notes, just go ahead and click on this 3 dots menu and click on add new notes. So click on add new notes, then you'll be able to add a new note under this my journal notebook or folder. So I can head over here to click on notebook again, and I'll see my notebook. So this is first notebook, this is my journal. I just have 1 note under here, and I have 5 notes here. So these are what you can actually call folders in Evernote. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can create folders, or you can create notebooks in this sense in Evernote. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.